Hi, Mir. Welcome to Filmy Beat. Firstly, congratulations. The trailer is amazing. What do you have to say about the character you are playing? कितना easy था, different था, difficult था? किस तरीके का preparation हुआ?
Hi, Monica. Thank you very much. बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है ट्रेलर का सोशल मीडिया पे. People like approaching and responding and connecting, giving a feedback about this. People have seen it. Like most of the people have seen the season 1 and they're really excited to see season 2 also. और हर एक एक्टर की एक अपनी एक फैन बेस बोले या फिर फॉलोवर्स बोले, अपने जो नए किरदार हैं इस सीरीज के, ऑटोमेटिकली इसके एक अपने ही एक फैन पेज. तेरा हंड्रेड्स एंड लैक्स करोड़ों लोग ऐसे हैं जो सीरीज को देखना चाहते हैं, और जो नए किरदार इसमें ऐड हुए हैं, और वो क्योंकि बॉलीवुड से, मेन स्ट्रीम बॉलीवुड से भी कुछ किरदार आए हैं, तो उनकी भी एक अपनी इंडिविजुअलिटी है, कुछ लोग उनको भी जानते हैं, तो उस वजह से थोड़ा सा और एक्साइटिंग हो जाता है. तो ये पार्ट 1 बहुत अच्छा था. पार्ट 2 उससे भी अच्छा है, ग्रैंड है. एज फार एज मेकिंग की बात करें, परफॉर्मेंसेस की बात करें, इट्स ब्राइटर एंड बिगर फॉर श्योर.
Okay, so usually we have seen, people compare season 1 और season 2 usually. So कितना pressure feel हो रहा है या फिर कितना उसके लिए you guys are ready? Because हमेशा ये होता है कि season 1 आ जाता है तो expectations higher हो जाती है than season 2 से. So what do you have to say?
That is obvious, of course. ऐसा there are very every season, लेकिन कोई भी सीरीज जब चलती है तो पहला पार्ट उसका चलता है, तो दूसरे में दिखाने के लिए कुछ नया होता नहीं है. तो अब क्या दिखाया जाए? I will not name a series, but there was season 1 was amazing, but season 2 was done. I didn't personally like that season 2, but there are some series ऐसे दूसरी सीरीज सीजन ने उसे और बड़ा कर दिया. तो नाम लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, लोग समझदार है, समझ जाएंगे. और आई एम श्योर कि हमारी ये सीरीज भी दूसरी कैटेगरी में ही फॉल करती है. जो ये पहले सीजन में जो उसने खेला है, उससे बेहतर खेलने के लिए, कहानी बताने के लिए, तरीके दिखाने के लिए, चाहे वो परफॉर्मेंसेज हैं, चाहे वो एक्शन है, चाहे वो लोकेशंस हैं, चाहे वो स्केल है, इसमें बेहतर है. तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि लोग भी पसंद करेंगे. आई एम श्योर पीपल विल कनेक्ट टू दैट एंड दे विल अप्रिशिएट ऑल द एफर्ट्स all the team has actually put in while making this season 2. And that too in a difficult time, because it was a COVID period, and I'm sure people will like it for sure.
Okay, so is this the continuation of the first series or the storyline will also change in the second one?
As the trailer itself suggests, it is this continuation of the season 1, and the season 1 ended at a particular point, and season 2 starts right from there. And then things how change and how things are being portrayed, and there's just some mysterious ladies around who is disturbing everybody's काम में अड़चन ला रही है. What is happening? That's a mystery. Audience does know about the same, but the characters doesn't know. People like the characters I am playing, I'm being, my work is being suffered by some अनजान सी औरत की वजह से मेरा काम हो रहा है, and I'm connecting these dots. My character is playing, I'm just trying to connect because I'm suffering because of I'm trying to connect these dots. यहाँ से वहाँ से यहाँ. Maybe is it a possibility? I'm putting doubts in one person's mind and clarifying things in the other person's mind. तो बड़ा मजेदार किरदार है, निभाने का मौका मिला है, और सीरीज में और चीजें हैं जो लोगों को पसंद आएंगी. मेन चीज ये होती है कि वैरायटी होनी चाहिए. आपको कोई भी सीरीज आप देख रहे हो, you should have that variety so that like you should be one is gripping, that holds you back, and the story should be some compelling. You'll watch it in, you'll binge watch it. ऐसा नहीं कि आज चलो कल देखो. I think इसमें इतना potential है कि you watch it, you will the whole series.
Okay, and what is your take on OTT versus theaters? Because this is a little long battle, and it's undebatable, but it's going on. So what do you feel? I want to know your perspective to it.
See, OTT is, it's a welcome step for all the makers, as far as and the audience also, and for the people like who are busy, who can't take time out especially to go to theaters and watch a film. Movie goers जो हैं, जो फिल्म के शौकीन हैं, they will definitely watch films in cinema no matter what.
Yeah.
They will not even like watching it on big TV at home. They will watch it in that zone only because that is what they want, that huge screen in front of them and Dolby 5.1 sound and that lollipop in their hands. whatever companion they have, वो एक zone अलग होता है. Film goers जो हैं और the makers जो हैं, actually they are making it for cinema. That's why we use the word सिनेमा के लिए ही फिल्में बनती हैं. किसी हद तक वही फिल्में अब OTT पे आ रही हैं. Then some people are compromising because of commercial aspect. Some people are not. But I would say OTT is a blessing for all the makers, for all the writers, for all directors, producers, all technicians, and as an actor. Because you have variety of characters, variety of stories, variety of makers are there. There are big shots, big banners, big platforms, small platforms. So everybody is able to make a content. And जैसे कि इससे पहले भी मैंने कहा कि सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि अगर आप कोई कहानी लिखते हो, राइटर लिखता है, डायरेक्टर बनाता है, so that the audience should be able to watch. And especially in cinema, there is a way to आपको यहाँ पे भी अपलोड करना है, फिर इतने screens लेने हैं. It's a burden on a new star. And the recovery is, if it's a small budget, there is no star, then the recovery is not that much. Compared to OTT, you don't have to buy screens, you don't have to go for these territories, you don't have to upload it somewhere, you just have to give it to the OTT platform, rest they'll take care of. And इसकी visibility उससे ज़्यादा है. क्यों? Everybody has a mobile, everybody has an internet, and people can watch it on the go. And the best part is, as far as MX Player is concerned, our XT Begum is concerned, भाई ये free है, देखो, कहीं पे भी, ट्रेन में हो, जहाज में हो, wherever you are, you can watch it. No, you don't have to just take out कि हमें 500 रुपए की टिकट लेनी ही लेनी है. If you, for example, I'm just giving an example, उसके लिए तो ये अच्छा है कि I'm going in a plane, I'll keep it there and watch it आराम से. Wherever I am, इसकी वो advantage है. Debate तो चलता रहेगा यार, because there is no end to the same. मगर इससे ये है कि opportunities बड़ी हैं. There are many actors we haven't seen for a long time. They are coming on OTT platforms. There are many TV guys, cinema guys who are doing OTT. ऐसा there should not be any inhibition कि नहीं जी करना नहीं है. No, that should not be the case. As an actor, I would love to be part of any medium where I'm able to show my talent.
Correct. And apart from that, coming back to Ekti Begum, what is the takeaway? Like, because we know every project teaches us something, and being a character, being an artist, of course, like it's a baby product. So I just want to know, what is the takeaway you are taking from the series, and especially about the second season and your character?
As far as I am concerned, see, I have as an actor, you learn, you take one thing or the other from every project, every performance, everything. So especially in this particular project, you know, on a personal front, I've met so many wonderful friends, and I have a wonderful rapport with almost everybody on the set, and that is as far as my personal life is concerned. And professionally, I learned so many new things from people like, you know, who are there, my co-actors who were there in the series, whether it's Anuja, Shah, Videsh, Vijay, Vikram ji, Rajendra ji, मंझे हुए कलाकार, इनफैक्ट जिनके साथ भी मेरे सीन्स रहे हैं, कुछ सीखने को ही मिला. As far as you know, because I'm a keen observer, I have spoken about these things also. Like, why did you do this in this particular manner? There are certain mannerisms which I have, मैं change नहीं कर सकता, and say that goes with you and everybody else. And there are certain things which you do as a character. नारी खान में मीर सरवर है, वो निकल नहीं सकता. That is there. But there is a certain percentage which I add. If I try to completely keep Mir Sarwar away and keep only Nari Khan, so I may not be able to authentic performance शायद नहीं बनेगी. मैं connect नहीं कर पाऊंगा, वो कहीं ना कहीं artificiality की तरफ जाएगा. Because somehow I have to keep myself as a Mir Sarwar, my personality will be there, but there will be some added nuances which I will add because of performance, because of preparation, that will become Nari Khan. और that's something which is, और इस कहानी में एक बड़ी अच्छी एक सीख है, जैसे कि एक लड़की है, इसकी कहानी है, how it started in season 1. She didn't want what she's doing, but she just had to do it, उसको वो करना पड़ रहा है because of the circumstances she has undergone or she has gone through. और कहीं ना कहीं it gives that message also in the long run. जो भी see the parts, they'll understand.
Okay, and well, lastly, what message you would like to give to the fans and the audience who are watching this? What do you have to tell to them or say to them?
सबसे पहले तो देखो भाई, it's coming tomorrow only, ज्यादा देर है नहीं, और the best part is you don't have to subscribe for anything, it is free, कहीं पे भी देखो, और don't miss it, because see क्या होता है कि there are wonderful actors in the series, amazing actors in the series. If you are a true art lover, then watch it and support it, because the word of mouth is very powerful and social media is very powerful these days. At times, if there is a particular favorite star of yours, A, B, C, D, and you just go to watch him or her, and you may at times get disappointed because the content is not that good. The performances were not as you were expecting, but guaranteed for sure you have seen people on the same platform you can take. But for that, this is an amazing series. Lovely performances are there. You will, ऐसा कि पैसा वसूल तो होता ही है, लेकिन आपको तो पैसा खर्चने की भी जरूरत नहीं। ये तो सोने पे सुहागा हो गया। I'm sure I would recommend everybody to watch this series and promote and share and spread the word.
All right. Thank you so much. All the best. Looking forward. Wish you luck. Have a great day. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you. Bye. So much.